Okay, so let's see the topic from here. If you remember, last time we talked about lead. We finished lead. We saw how to qualify a lead. We saw how to disqualify lead, and we also saw how to basically create a new user for Dynamic CRM. Right? We have created one sample users as well, and we have created a new account for Dynamic CRM. So all of this we have seen. Today we will see opportunity. We will see opportunity form view. We will see how you can close opportunity as own, how you can close opportunity as lost. And not only these four, but as well as within that there are so many things, so all of them we will see. So we'll try to finish today opportunity. Right, now what is opportunity? Okay, just hold on. So opportunity is something in between lead and contact or account. So as you know that lead is a potential customer. So lead anybody. So whoever has turned up in your shop, right, or in your marketing campaign, whoever. Okay, as soon as they turn up, it means they had some interest in your product. So they are lead. Opportunity is something more, right? So when a lead has bought something from you, he or she has become a contact or an account. Contact or account means customer, right? Contact means something. Contact means individual person. Okay, contact means individual person. And just one second, let me close my Outlook. Contact means individual person, individual customer, and account means that individual customer who is related to an organization. So somebody came to your shop, or in your marketing campaign, or in your stall from other organization. So he represents some other organization. So that is called account. Okay, so always remember, account is nothing but an organization, and contact is nothing but a person. Okay, individual. So between a lead and a contact, or between a lead or a account, okay, there is another element which is called opportunity. Opportunity is something very interested customer. Okay, very much interested. So lead may not be interested at all. See, he just popped into your shop just to have a look. What is this? And that's it. He left it. He left the shop, right? So that is lead. But opportunity is something showing you very much interest in your product. Is telling you that I may buy from you 1,000 pound of product, or I may buy from you around 1 million pound product, something like that. Okay, so that is called opportunity. So opportunities in Microsoft Dynamics 365 are the core record type in the sales process. So in the cell, as you see here, if you go back to in our cells, right? If you click on cells, and this cells button becomes bigger than all of these, right? So it means that what we are seeing here underneath, all of these are part of cells. If you click service, you see service box becomes bigger than all other boxes. So all of what you see here, these are all part of service. So similarly, when you click sales, you see here under sales, leads, opportunity, competitors. So one of the major element of sales process is the opportunity. So leads is the initial stage, then opportunity, and then opportunity become accounts or contacts after you own the opportunity, right? So when you own the opportunity, when you win the opportunity, they become accounts or contacts. So win the opportunity means something that as like signed a contract, okay, to buy to do a business with you. Okay, so and as soon as they sign a contract, so they become account or contact, they become a customer. So that is called win a customer, win an opportunity. So uh, so and So I'm not going to read everything what is here, but just highlight what is important to understand. So in here is nothing, just to go through it. This is for your own understanding. So we will see how an opportunity can be created. So if we go to sales, and you will see open opportunities, and always remember that what does it mean, these open opportunities? Open opportunities means open opportunities for who? For this person who has logged in. So in our case, Z Abidin, you can see as soon as my cursor is on the the login option, it shows Z Abidin, who is the user. So these open opportunities belongs to him. As I have discussed earlier, that if Ruthira, you now log in, you will not be able to see this opportunity because this is not created by you. Okay. Well, Microsoft will show you, but something, if you open a new one, okay, it means Z Abedin is creating a new opportunity. So it will be viewed by only Z Abedin, not by you. Okay, until and unless Z Abedin share that view with you. Okay, so we will see the how different view can be shared. Okay, so we will see that later on. Right. Now, this is the view. Okay, this is one view, open opportunities. But if you click here, drop down menu, right? Can you see drop down? Yes. So if you click that, you will see different views. And there are system views, as we have discussed earlier. And also you can create your personal view, okay, which can be viewed by only you, not anybody else. But when something is open opportunities is part of system views, so anybody can see that. Okay, so something which somebody else would not see, if you create a new one, and that would be under personal view. Okay, or it can be even under open opportunities. It depends how you basically put your share, how you share your view. So you can see the different views. These are the different views, all opportunities. So if you click that, you see there are 108 opportunities. So okay, so and also one important thing here you need to know, that say example here, all these opportunities always start with the topic. Okay, let me show you. If I open one opportunity, and you can see the topic, okay, topic is 10 orders of product SKU JJ202. Okay, this is the topic, and here is the name of the opportunity, and it says name 10 orders of product SKU JJ202. So the topic is the name of the opportunity, always remember. Okay, whatever you type in the topic, that will become the opportunity. And this topic, actually, if you go back to lead, that when you fill out a lead form, right, when you fill out a lead form, in that lead, the first thing you have to fill out is the topic, and that topic is the name of the opportunity. When you see here, topic, follow up with information. So because this lead, okay, lead is a person, okay, is a potential customer. So Gabriela Kanata is a lead. But when you qualify this lead, it becomes an opportunity. And as soon as it becomes an opportunity, the topic becomes the name of the opportunity, right? So always remember, whatever you type here in the topic, that will become the name of the opportunity. So you have to write always relevant information in the topic so that you can identify which opportunity you are talking about. That should be normally in professional, like in real time scenario, that would be a product item. Okay, say example here, that the opportunity about what kind of opportunity about 10 orders of product, say example, Tesco shampoo, right? Say example, 10 orders of Tesco shampoo. Okay, then next opportunity is 10 orders of a TV, Samsung TV. Then 3D printers, 4G enabled tablets. So these are the product, nothing but a product, because those people who become opportunity, they wanted to buy something from you. And what they wanted to buy? They wanted to buy these items. Okay, So that is actually the topic of the opportunity. Right. So let's create a new opportunity. So you create here, you click here, new, and the opportunity form. You remember, this is always a form. Okay. So this is always a form. So at the moment, that is another. So initially, the name of the opportunity says it is a new opportunity, which is fine because there is no topic yet. As soon as you will enter a topic and you will save on your right hand side in the corner in the disk picture, as soon as you will save it, the topic of the opportunity will become the name of the opportunity. Say example, laptop fair 2017. Say example, given month, April 2017. So I have given a name. I haven't saved it yet. As soon as I will save, you will see the laptop fair April 2007 will come here. So account. Now what is account? So as I said, um, account is the related the company. Okay, this opportunity. So somebody is trying to buy something from you, so he or she came from a company, isn't it? Either he has his own company or what is called, he represents a company, right? So whatever it is, either a single person based company or it can be a big company. So whatever it is, you have to add a account. So that is a relevant account. Account mean organization. So which organization wanted to buy a product from you? Okay, so that organization comes here. But you see here, whenever a magnifying glass comes here, it means what kind of view it is. It is a lookup. Look, L-O-O-K, look up view. Okay, so this kind of view means lookup view. It means that you can find information from this box. So if you click on this magnifying glass, you will be able to see different uh, entity. Okay, now always remember that whatever we are talking about here, how to find entity. What is entity? Entity is nothing but a table in the SQL server. Okay, in SQL database, right? So and how do you find entities in CRM? How many entities we have? We don't know. In order to see that, you have to go to settings. You can see sales, service, marketing, field service, project service, resource scheduling settings. So you click settings, you go to customization. Okay, so you go to customization, customize the system. And if you see here, you see here entities. Okay, so if you click here on the right arrow, can you see? So this right arrow, if you click that, you will see under entities, these are all entities. Okay, all are entities. Oh, so many. See how many entities? So many. You would not be able to remember all entities. It is not possible to remember. Okay, these are all entities. More you will work with CRM, more you will be familiar with the type of entities you are working. Okay, and you don't have to remember until and unless when you will work, you will remember. Okay, you don't have to remember you don't have to memorize them. Okay, so don't worry about that. You will be familiar with that. Now, so if we go back to sales, an opportunity. We are here. Where is that opportunity? So go to opportunity. We wanted to open a new one, isn't it? Yeah. Did you close it? Okay. Okay. So London Fair 2017. Now, as I said, the topic should be always type of product. Okay. Just 1 second. Screen is stuck. Yeah, say topic, say because it's normally should be related to a product. Say example, tablet, new tablet 10 order. Okay, new tablet 10 order. So new tablet we have deployed in the market, and this opportunity wants to buy 10 of them. Okay, so that's fine. Account, as I said, you choose, this opportunity came from which organization. So by default, Microsoft has added so many organization, okay, so that you can play around with them, or you can even open it, you can create a new one. Okay, so you can see that 10 results it is showing you. Okay, the account, different organizations. See, Bellows College, Bellows Hospital, these are nothing but an organization. Alpine Sky Shop, Alpine Sky House, Alpine Sky House, and so on and so forth. But if this organization you don't need, and you are looking for your own, you're looking for something which is not in this list, you can create a new one. Okay, so if you create click new, you will be able to open a new account. Okay, because this was an account, so you will be able to open a new account. Now this is very interesting. The view we can see here, this is called quick view. Why it is called quick view? Because you see, half of this window I can see opportunity in the background, right? And in front I can see the white window, and it is a small window, it is not full, it does not cover full my desktop. So it's only a small portion, half of it. And also this account has only few information here: account name, main phone, primary contact, annual revenue, number of employees, description, address, street 1, street 2, city, postal code. That's it. Only few information I can add to this account. This is called a create quick create. Okay, this is called a, not quick view, quick create form. Quick create means quickly you can create. Okay, so let's say um, the organization name is One Stop Limited. Okay, and the main phone you add 02345678. Primary contact. Okay, primary contacts, just add Adrian something. Again, from where you have added, from a lookup. Okay, now as soon as you will click lookup, and if it is something is not there, you can create a new one. See, everywhere whenever you will see there is a lookup, it means there is an option to choose from a list, as well as you can create a new one. So assume that this Adrian who works in One Stop Limited. Okay, and who is the contact person of this organization. So you are basically adding this up. And as one thing you remember, that always asterisk mean only this field you have to fill out as a mandatory. Rest of them is optional. It is up to you to enter, or you may not enter. So I don't have, because we don't have time to enter everything. This is nothing but if I just quickly I can explain, but we don't have time to enter everything. Yeah, we will not do that because this is wastage of time. Now, annual revenue means of that organization. If you know that information, so somebody came to your organization to buy something or to do a business with you, and they have their own annual revenue. So that organization, One Stop Limited, do you have any information about their annual revenue? If you have, you enter it, because you may need that information, that how big company you are dealing with. Okay, so so you can add it. Number of employees, how many employees in that organization has, so you can add it if you know. Description, if you want to add something else, text. Okay, so the company, okay, is a important to our organization. Okay, so something like description for your benefit. Okay, then address of the organization, that's it. You save it. So remember what you have done, one stop. Okay, so one stop, you see here now account is one stop limited, which is fine. Now you see there are two asterisks, topic and currency, and there is no more field with asterisk. So we can now save it. Remember, saving is always on the right hand side. Okay, right hand side. So I have saved it. So as soon as I've saved it, now you can see the name of the opportunity has become new tablet 10 order. Okay, so this is how the opportunity form can be filled. But again, as I said, there are so many fields in every form. Okay, more you will work in the real time, more you will be familiar with them, with each form. Okay, you don't have to worry about what should I add in each field. This is, you will enter whatever it says in the field name. Forecast. Okay, let me give you some examples. For example, I haven't filled forecast. What does it mean, forecast? Forecast means, how much money. Okay, how much money, see, pound. As soon as I have clicked in this field, it shows pound, means how much money they want to spend on your product of new tablets. Say example, 10 tablets, so 1000 pound. Okay, uh, add to forecast, so no. You want to add anything? No. So if you want to tick it, nothing would be added later. Description, if you want to add something here, probability. Okay, probability, if you think that, okay, something else he or she will be buying, so you can add something here. Sales stage means there are few stages, means where, I mean, this opportunity will buy 10 or 10 tablets. Now what is the stage, this opportunity? Okay, is it in qualify, develop, propose, close? See here, qualify, develop, propose, close. Okay, so this one at the moment is qualify. Okay, this, as I understand this, so as soon as we will move to develop, it will change here. Okay, so this is auto roll up, it is called auto roll up, you don't have to choose. Okay, I think this is comes from here. Let's see. For example, I am in qualify stage, not me, sorry, this opportunity. So if I click next stage, at the moment the field is qualify, so it should change to develop. So let's see. Let me save it. No, it does not change. So it means that this field you have to change it manually. So for example, this opportunity is in developing stage, so you need to change it to develop. Okay, can you see? So you have to change it manually. So this is the sales stage. Where are this in this opportunity in the sales stage? Okay, so what does it mean, close? Close means whether your opportunity you have closed it as own or close it as lost, because it can be even that an opportunity, after spending some time, he has decided not to buy anything from you, so that is called close as lost. Okay, so that is this. So many other fields you have. Okay, current situation, customer need, propose solution, and so many others. Don't worry about all these fields. Okay, you always need to remember the mandatory fields. Okay, that what to put in the mandatory fields. The rest of them you can play around. You will play around, like you will go through on your own, and you will see what does it mean. Okay, now the main important part I will explain all of it to you. Whatever I'm not explaining, it means they're not important. Okay, important means not at the moment, but maybe not at the moment means initially, but later on we may come back to some other come back to some places and explain it again. Okay, now this is you have to understand elements of opportunities or field. Okay, this is just explanation so that you understand what you have to enter in these fields. So elements of opportunities means nothing but fields. Estimated close date. Okay, where would you find estimated close date? Now, shortcut way to find the field in a form is clicking Control F. As soon as you will click Control F, means Control Find, right? F for find. So this window will come, and then you will write here um, the field name. Field name is estimated close date. So you'll write here estimated close date. Okay, so estimated close date, and then press enter. Estimated close. Oh, I think a spelling mistake is there. No, estimated close date. Yeah, that's right. So estimated close date, but nothing is showing here. Oh, here, but why it is not showing? Maybe because of because I have written here full, but here is shortcut. See, so that is why. So let me write it down. Yeah, now it should find. Yeah, that's it. Straight away it found. Yeah, can you see? So estimated close date. So as soon as you have written in by pressing Control Find, okay, Control F, and you type it and you press enter, and it shows estimated close date. Means when you can close this opportunity as own and close as lost. When you will be able to do that? After 1 week, or after 2 weeks, after 1 month, when they will confirm that they will buy. Okay, so that is called estimated close date. So you have to enter a date here, and that's why you can see a calendar here, and then from this calendar you choose a date. Say example, I choose from April. Say example, 30th of April he will buy this item. Okay, this opportunity. So that is estimated close date. So next thing is estimated revenue. Okay, so let me write it down here. Estimated revenue is the next one. Okay, how much money do you want to spend on your product? Okay, again this is the pound, in pound. Okay, so 1,000 pound. Then status: open, in progress, on hold, own, lost, outsold, cancelled. So any one of them you can choose. Okay, so where is it? So it is the field name status. Its status should be always on top. If it is not, you can find it here. Don't I mean, you don't have to worry always that. So see, where is, as soon as you have typed status, it shows it here. Okay, status of the opportunity comes in the quotes. So let's see, because it is the number 3 out of 3. So there are two more status. So let's see. Oh, on top, I think somewhere. 3, 1. Where is 1? Status. There are 3 fields like this. Okay. Okay, maybe there are other. You see here, one thing I need to show you here as well, that when you see here opportunity and a drop down menu here, can you see, not menu, sorry, arrow, it means there are some other view. This is called view. Okay, this is opportunity view. If you click down, then you will see there is a 3 others view: project information view, field service information view, and information view. Now this view, always remember, is something is uh, different part of the form. Okay, different information comes on your screen, different information on the same topic. Say example, we are talking about opportunity. So when you want to see about project information about this opportunity, so if you click this project information, you see what we will see. So this form is loading up again. right, is loading up with different information. See now what we can see. We can see now summary, right? So no, this one was opportunity. This one was opportunity. So this is the standard one. If I go to here, project information, let's see what comes up. Okay, project information is nothing but opportunity, so that is why it's loading back to opportunity. Okay, so that is but I think what does it mean is the project information when something to do with the project, when you will add up this opportunity with the project, because you see here, you can see here project service. So when we will work on this project, okay, here project templates, project contract milestone invoices actual, right? And here is opportunity as well. Under project service there is opportunity as well. So when basically we will relate this opportunity to any project or part of the project, then you will be able to see project information of that opportunity. Okay, so that is why so where is so where is our opportunity? It was new new product, right? So new tablet. So this is our opportunity. So what we are saying here, that then that view will come. Okay, field service information. See, let's see what changes here. Doesn't change anything. Yes, so doesn't change anything again, because field service is another module is here, because we haven't done anything there, and so that is why it's not coming up with any information with the field service. But if I go to information, then something else should come up in front of us. Let's see. Yes. So see here, uh, when we saw opportunity view, we saw only summary here, right? Summary. But now you see different information. Well, similar but different types of view, and it starts with general. What's new? Just check this part. Okay, this part. Oh, come on. This part will change when I click to opportunity. See, now it is summary, and we have also activities here. We have also stakeholders here, right? So different views. So this is one view. If I go back to information, now there will be another view of the same form. See, now this is another view, general, so totally different, but on the same opportunity form. So this is called view. Okay, so say example, somebody needs to see information view of the opportunity. Somebody needs to see opportunity view of the opportunity. Okay, the main form. So basically this is how it works. Okay. So the next one, so let's see this says. Okay, so we are talking about status. Okay, outsold, cancel, open. Okay, we didn't find that status. Only we found. Just 1 second. If I go back to here. Estimated close. Somehow it should show status. Let me see, where is this status? Only one status, but there should be some other status. What, number 3, 2 is the same one? 1, it doesn't show. Just 1 second, let me see where it shows here. Oh, you see here opportunity. So estimated close date, estimated revenue, and then status. So it should be there, yeah. Probability. Oh, that is strange. See, somehow this field name is different from what we see here. Maybe this is the Yeah, that is Dynamics 365, and also we are in Dynamics 365. So that is strange. So you see here probability. So this field name, let me see. Maybe normally that is the status. Normally, so when you come here, in normally status is normally here. Okay, but I don't know why it is probability. So if we go to other opportunities, we will be able to see whether it is a really probability or something else. So let's see all opportunities. Let's see 3D printers. Oh, it is probability. So maybe this is the latest update. Okay, so yeah, this is interesting, just to let you know, because always Microsoft is updating their CRM always, like every 2 months, 3 months, you will see one update. They have one update they have deployed. What does it mean? Deployed means automatically they will update. You will not, well, you will know, because it will in the CRM, when it will update itself. If it is online, then it will update itself. If it is on premise in your server, then Microsoft will send you notification that there is an update waiting for you. Could you please update your CRM? So this is how it will be updated. So as we can see that that instead of status, now the name of the field they have changed recently to probability, because normally even in the Office CRM, the one we are using in the office, I saw last time, like, because I'm off this week. Even last week, it was status here, but now they have, so it means this update happened in this week only. So probability, the name of the field has changed from status to probability, but there should be, um, why it is, okay, because it's already previous opportunity. So probability means probability of happening. Okay, probability of taking place, probability of buying the products. How much? 60%, 20%. So it is similar to status as well. Okay, similar to status. So say example, status says it is a open means it is a initial stage, or it is in progress, or it is on hold, or it is owned, or it is lost, or it is outsold to somebody else, or it is cancelled. So probability has replaced to status. So probability means how much probability of taking place of this opportunity, probability of buying this product. So 30%, 20%, 50%, or 90%. So that basically is the probability. Owner. Owner means who has created this opportunity, indicates who is responsible for this opportunity. So that, always remember that whoever created that opportunity. Okay. So the next one is topic. I told you that is the name of the opportunity. Potential customer. Okay, so potential customer, you see here, if you go to opportunity, you will see, so here account is the organization who is buying your product, 3D printers, say example, in this example. But opportunity contact is the person who is the contact person for Adventure Works. So Adventure Works is the organization who wants to buy 3D printers from you, and who is the person will buy from you from that organization. That person's name is here opportunity contact. Here you will enter, okay, full name, Adrian Dametrescu, business phone number, email, etc, etc, right? So this is where the contact information will go. That is the potential customer. Product line items. Now product line items, see, now say example, now product line items means, say example, tablet. That is one product of your organization. Okay, but one product, but there are so many different types of tablet. Say example, 7-inch tablet, 5-inch tablet, 10-inch tablet, 10.5-inch tablet, different size of the tablet, and also tablet of different companies tablet you sell as well. You sell Samsung tablet, you sell Sony tablet, you sell LG tablet, you sell Huawei tablet, iPad, right? All of these tablets. So you sell all of them. So product line items means so that how many types of product. Okay. So that goes into here. If you go down of your opportunity, you go down further, go down here, product line items. Can you see? So product line items, it says the product name here. Then if you have any, if you want to add as anything as a properties, you can that, and unit. Minimum, how many unit they have to buy? Is it minimum 1 or 2 or 3? So how many unit they have, customer have to buy? So that is the minimum unit, that is called unit. Say example, uh, say example, when you go to a shop to buy onion, example I'm giving you, yeah, do you buy one onion? Obviously not. You buy minimum 5 kilo onion, right? So the 5 kilo onion is the unit. So if you say, okay, unit is one onion, it means the minimum you have to buy one onion. If you say 5 kilo is your unit, it means the minimum you have to buy 5 kilo onion. You cannot break it down. You cannot buy one onion. You cannot buy two onion. You cannot buy 1 kilo onion. You have to buy minimum 5 kilo bag of onion. So that is called unit. Okay, so that is what you have to enter here. And also price per unit. And then you enter what is the price per unit price. Okay, then quantity. Okay, so in each unit, okay, how many items are there? Say example, you are as I said that the 5 kilo onion, there are 100 onions. Okay, example I'm giving you, 100 onions are there in a bag of 5 kilo. So that's the quantity of onions. Discount, is there any discount? If you have, then add it here. Okay, we'll talk about all of this separately because that is very interesting. This will go to product. Okay, we'll have a session on product as well. So we'll learn how to add all of these: unit, price per unit, quantity, discount, opportunity, line amount, and etc, etc. So this is basically product line items. Okay. Product line items. Okay. Price list. Okay, price list is again same place. Okay. In the same form, do codes, field service. So if I don't find, I'll just write it here. Price list. See, product line items, as I said. So this is the price list is here. Okay, price list is nothing but the product price. Okay, so that is the nothing but a product price. Revenue. Revenue, I told you, revenue is the field in the beginning of the form. It says that how much money. It was somewhere here, right? So revenue, oh, here, estimated revenue, but there should be revenue, one field as revenue only. Revenue, yeah, here, because it says here product line items. So the all these, the amount, price per unit, when all of them will be added, okay, they will become as a revenue. Okay, so that is the basically the total amount of this price per unit. Then quotes. Quotes is create a quote from an opportunity. Quote is nothing but a price for a specific company. Say example, you are selling tablet, Samsung tablet. For example, I'm selling Samsung tablet to you, Ruthira, for 50 pound. I'm selling Samsung tablet to Jolanta for 60 pound. So, and then I'm selling Samsung tablet for 70 pound to somebody else. So I have different quote for different person, isn't it? So every organization always they play with the prices. So they say, okay, they will give it to you for £10, they will sell it for £20 to somebody else, they will sell for £30 to somebody else. So that is called quote. Okay, where you will find quote, if you just write it here, quote is here in the form as well, in the opportunity form. You see no quote records found. So for this opportunity 3D printers, there is no quote, but you can add quote here. How to add a quote, we will see. I will just show you, but we'll talk about quote later on, because you see here quotes is here. This is another element we have to talk about. Okay, then also product is here. We also have to talk about them separately. Okay, so quote is something like this. Okay, so if you go to your, for example, in your previous opportunity, the one we have created, which is called new tablet, I think. If I click here, new tablet, yeah, this one, and if I go further down of the form, if I go down of the form, and you will see also there is no code. Okay, but you see here on your right hand side there is a plus button. Plus button means you can add a code. Okay, see here, as soon as I bring my cursor onto the plus sign, it says add code record. Okay, add code record means a new code can be added. So if you click that, and the new window will come up. Okay. Okay, sorry, I was just checking something else. Okay. Okay. A very important email has come up for me. Okay. So I'll check that later on. Okay. So this is the code. Okay, so new tablet, I have opened a I've created a plus button here. I have clicked here plus button, and the new new code I can create for this opportunity, new tablet 10 order. Remember, this was the opportunity. So quote ID, see here, automatically quote ID has been generated by the CRM. All of these you can actually customize. You can actually set that how this ID will be named. Okay, by default these are the way it is designed now. It is designed by CRM now, but you can customize it. And the name of the quote would be new tablet 10 order. Okay, currency is the pound sterling. Okay, price list. Now this is the price list, means, as I said, quote is nothing but a price. Okay, so that is why price list is the mandatory of this quote. Okay, of this quote form. So you add a price here. Okay, if it is not there, you can click and add a new price. Okay, but we'll talk about it separately, because we have an element in our in each module. So we'll talk about this separately. So you see here, because we have already created some with basic information, so this is something is added as a quote. But price list, so let's save something, yeah, and save it. Yeah, and now if I go back to this is our opportunity. So if I go here, come on. Okay, oh no, I'm in quote, so I have to go to opportunity, and if I click my opportunity, if I click opportunity, if I go down to quote, you can see my quote is there at the moment. Status, the status of the quote is draft. The reason why quote is showing no, not quote, sorry, the status was showing 3 times, because one status is here in the code, another status, or what, or that was the only one. Yeah, that was the only one. Yeah, yeah. But for some reason it was showing 3 times, isn't it? So yeah. Okay, we'll be able to check actually. You know how? Let me show you. Let me show you again. Each, see here, status showing you. Wow, 4 times. Oh, that is interesting. 4. Where it is? Where it is? 3, 4. But where it doesn't show 4 times. Maybe. Uh, let me see, let me show you. Okay, have a look very carefully how I am going to see this form in different way from the developer's point of view. Okay, so this is the way you are seeing the form. It is from an user's point of view. Okay, but now you will become a developer and you will see the form itself. So if you go to sales, and if you go to settings, and if you go to customization, click customize the system. Customize the system means you are actually now going to customize the CRM system, so you are becoming a developer. Okay, so now the what was the entity? It was an opportunity entity, right? We are working on opportunity, so we have to go back to opportunity to opportunity. Here, can you see? So if you click opportunity and then under opportunity you can see form. Okay, no, yeah, see form, you click form. Now the view, see, you know the form, what the form view, what you saw, that was opportunity. Then we had project information view, we had field service information view. You remember? I think you remember. Yeah, there were 4 or 5 views. There was one opportunity, that was another one project information, another one field service information, another was information. These 4, 1 2 3 4, these 4. And what about this? This is something you didn't see. Okay, oh no, this one you saw. No, this one you didn't see, but the similar one, like for account one, I shown you similar, like account, for every entity there is an quick create view. Okay, I will show you this one as well. Now this one you didn't see. This one is only for mobile phone, Mobile Express. Okay, so this form, this is nothing but form view. Now form view, this view is for mobile. See, so that is why you didn't see. You will be able to see that if you open your CRM from your mobile. So what we wanted to see, okay, so we need to go to this main form, opportunity main. Okay, this is the main form. So this is the area as a developer. Okay, you will work. So the thing what you are seeing, this is nothing but a form. Which one? Not the left part, not the right part, the one here from this one. See my cursor? So until, so this one, so this part. Okay, so the middle one basically. So this middle part is the form you see here. So you saw topic, so this is the topic field. You saw the account field, so this is the account field. This is the currency field, currency field. Forecast, add to forecast, description. So all of these fields are here. Even if there is any hidden field, you will be able to see it here. So we were looking for status field, right? So you can check it here. Where is the status? How many times the status are there? So let's see status. All fields, or this is, we couldn't find here, right? We couldn't find. Yeah, we found probability instead of status, right? So this is the probability is here, but a status field is not here. So we can the another way of find that is if you go to opportunity and then you see here fields. If you click fields, then all the fields of that of that opportunity form will come up here. So um, the name of the field was status, right? So here you can see how many fields, 114 fields in that opportunity. So you need to find it. Okay, if you click here, it will be sorted based on the alphabetical order. Okay, so it is now alphabetical order sorted. A, then B, then C, then D, and etc. etc. So if I go down, so it would be status. So S S S O P O P Q R S. Yes, S is there. So S status. Huh. Is there. You see this is the display name of the field is one, so that's the one only. Okay, so display name of the field is a status, so there is no more status field, only one. Okay, so one field, the one it was in the court, isn't it? So that's the one field status. So yeah, for some reason it was showing 4, but not sure why it was showing 4. Okay, so let's go back to our topic. Right. So revenue saw quote we saw work order type. Which type of field service work order is associated with this opportunity? Work order type. Order type. Okay. So this is another field, but these are nothing. Not all of them are mandatory. It depends when you need it. You can fill it out. Okay. So this is to do with this field is to do with field service. Okay, because field service we didn't discuss, so we can leave it for time being. New subgrids on the opportunity form, something to do with the new subgrids means sales team and competitors. They have added recently. This is the new update of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, what does it mean? Subgrid. Now, this is very, very important to remember. What is subgrid? Subgrid is something like if I go back to our opportunity, say example, where is my opportunity? So go back to opportunity. My opportunity was new tablet 10 order, right? Sorry, Ruthira, do you have any question, Ruthira, so far? Yeah, it's so many things you can do. It just like this is another world. This is another world. So what we are looking for, I forgot. Oh, grid, subgrid. Okay, now what is subgrid is something like this one. See here, when we saw something like plus sign is nothing but a subgrid. Okay, subgrid means something you can add. Okay, it is not similar to magnifying glass. This lookup. So means something you can add. That is called subgrid. Okay, so this is one subgrid, sales team, and this is new thing has been added. So in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So what does it mean new thing has been added? Means this is added in Microsoft Dynamics 365. But if you go back to previous version, say example 2015 or 2016 or 13 or 2011, 2011 is very, very old. So that is totally changed. But if you go back to 2013, 15, 16, then you may not find sales team there. Okay. So And then also competitor. If you go back to here, competitor, I saw competitor here somewhere. Field service, let me find out. If I click Control F, compare competitors. Yeah, no, not this one, not this one. There is a sub option should be there. Competitor or competitors. So let me see. Competitors. Okay. Uh, for Yeah, here. See, competitors. So this is the subgrid. So why I said that this one is not subgrid, because there is no plus sign. Okay, so that is not a subgrid. Subgrid is always with a plus sign on your right hand side. Means subgrid means always you can add something to it. So when you see something plus, it means you can add one more value here. Okay, so and as soon as you see here magnifying glass, you means there is an option to choose from. Okay, so this is subgrid. So these two things has been added in Dynamics 365. It was not in 2016. Now, posts, activities, notes, stakeholders. This is another one. This is another new one. So because every time they are updating, so some of the things even we don't know. Like even I'm working in this field, even I don't know, because uh, I'm not dealing with what they're updating. So it is good to know, but now I'm knowing, so which is good. But because I'm dealing with the something else, so not always see stakeholders. So stakeholders is the new item they have added to opportunity. So new subgrid. Okay, they have added. So these are the things they have added. Now, what does it mean? This new stakeholders, sales team, and competitors. This is nothing but the what the word means. Stakeholders means that opportunity. Okay, now that opportunity belongs to your organization, and who are the stakeholders of your organization? So you can add them. Okay, so you can add them, and they can view this opportunity. Stakeholders, the main stakeholders, maybe important person, okay, or important department. So it depends on what you want to add. Sales team means who else apart from you who will deal with this opportunity. So, for example, you and then your manager, okay, your colleague, okay. So, few people who will deal with this opportunity. So, they are the part of sales team. Competitors, okay. And if you want to say, okay, this opportunity means, this opportunity also can buy item from another company. They are also selling the same item with other prices. So you can add those competitors' name in this form. Okay, so because it will benefit you later on to know all of this information. So who else worked on this opportunity, who are the stakeholders of this opportunity, and so on and so forth, right? So and post activities notes, it is already there. So this is post activities notes. This is activities. Okay, this part is nothing but activities. If you want to add a phone call, if you have made a phone call, you want to add that phone call to this. If you have sent an email, if you want to add a note, okay, so those kind of things you can do it here, right? Say example, I have shown you already, right? So say example here, if you add a phone call, right? So this example, direction, outgoing or incoming. Okay, so you can choose it from incoming. Okay, so call with Jahid Khan. Okay, you had, and it was incoming, so Jahid Khan called you. Okay, and or maybe will come, will Jahid Khan will phone you, and which when is due, so you can put it date here, and you can write the note here. Okay, so say example, okay, let me do it quickly. You must enter a description. So say here you write Jahid Khan will call me, okay, on 9th of April 2017. Okay, so that's it. You can just make a note yourself. Okay, due. So you put a date 9th, right? So which is Sunday, 8 a.m., whatever the time, even time you can select, right? So 10 o'clock. And that's it, incoming. So Jahid Khan will call you. So that's it. So you will be able to see this note here. See, now it has appeared here. So As soon as you open this opportunity, you will see all the activities, whether you made a phone call or somebody will make a phone call, whether you have received an email, whether you have sent an email, whatever you have done, you can add all of this here. See here, it says Jahid Khan will call me on 9th of this, completed by Z Abidin, right, today. So when it was created, this task today. Okay. So everything is recorded here. So this is what is called activities. Okay. So you can add here. Right. Next thing is this is explanation of these stakeholders. Okay. You can go through on your own. If you, in case you don't understand, obviously you can ask me. Competitors, okay, competitors subgrid. Working with opportunities, so creating new opportunities we have seen. Working with the process based form, okay. Now what is means process based form? Creating new one we have seen. Oh, there is another one. So working with process based form, before we go to there, we will talk about creating new opportunities. You can open opportunities using, from, you see here, two ways. You can few ways, I think, one, A, B, C, D, E. So five ways you can actually create an opportunity. This is very interesting. Have a look here. Uh, Five ways to create an opportunity. So first of all, you can create an opportunity by clicking new. Okay, so this is what we have seen. You can create an opportunity from converting a tracked email from Outlook. Converting a tracked email from Outlook. Okay. Now, what does it mean converting a tracked email from Outlook? Say, example, your Outlook is integrated with CRM. So when it is integrated with CRM, then on your Outlook, there will be an option like this. So this is your Outlook. There will be an option called convert to. So first of all, there will be an option called track. And first of all, before that, you will find that in your Outlook it says CRM. So CRM is integrated in your Outlook. So there will be a track option here. As soon as you will click track, this will come up, convert to. So this email, for example, somebody has emailed you, said, I'm very interested in your new line of products for 2017. So what you can do, you can click here track. You can click here track, and then you can click convert to. As soon as you click convert to, it will show you it will show you to opportunity, convert to opportunity. So then what will happen? Then that email will become an opportunity. So basically, normally, the opportunity not only comes from a lead, opportunity can come from a email as well, opportunity can come from a phone call as well. Okay, so opportunity can come from different ways, opportunity can come from other person's conversation. So that is why different ways you can create opportunity. Okay, you can create opportunity from lead, we showed you, shown you last week. Today we have seen from here, today just from a new, totally new opportunities. Example, you have spoken with somebody and you want to add it directly to an opportunity, so you can do that, right? And that is how to do that. Just click here new and you will open a new opportunity. Then converting a tracked email from Outlook, that is the way of doing it. Then converting a CRM activity. Okay, so I told you that can be email we have, I've shown you now. Task, for example, you are supposed to call somebody. Okay, let me show you. For example, if you go back to here and if you click here sales, right, and if you see here my work, under my work you see activities. So if you click activities, and you will see all different types of activity. At the moment, currently only 3 activities, but if I change my view, say example, all activities, so I will be able to see at least, yeah, so many activities, 157 activities by default, was designed by Microsoft. So say example, this one is a phone call. This one is a follow up with Brian. Task is a task. This one is a phone call. This one is a task. This one is an email, right? So all of these are conversation, right, with a customer or with a potential customer. So all of these can become a opportunity. So if you go here, so if you go to see, you need to open that phone call. So we had a phone call with somebody, and then that phone call, after discussing with that person, you found that person is interested to buy some products. So you change it to opportunity. So if I open one of these activities, example here, phone call, right? Brian purchased a Contoso 3D, purchased. Okay, so okay, so let me see. Let me see. It's completed though. Um, yeah, it's a completed one. So it's this phone call is completed. So let me let me see. It doesn't show that convert to option because it's this one is finished. So let me open another one. Activity status, open. So you need to open one of them. Okay, so let's see this one. Yes. So example, a task. Okay, you are doing a task, follow up with Alex and troubleshooting something. Okay, follow up with Alex and troubleshoot keyboard connectivity. So example, you are providing a service to Alex and you are fixing his keyboard. Okay, so it's a task. Now after fixing his keyboard and talking to Alex, you found that he wants to buy something from you. So you can see here convert to option. So you can click here and it says to opportunity. So he wants to buy something, or he wants to create a ticket with you. What kind of ticket? Ticket means a problem ticket. Okay, that he had a problem. He wants to deal. He wants you to resolve that ticket. So you can do that. Okay. So you can see here two case. So you can change this task to a case, or you can change this task to an opportunity. So this is the way also opportunity can be created. So this is another one. D, qualifying a lead. So this is we have seen last time, yeah, last week. So qualifying a lead. The last one is converting campaign responses. Okay. So you need to go to, so you need to, now you had a marketing campaign. Okay. From marketing campaign, you go to activities. You had different activities, and from one of the activities, you change it to convert campaign, whatever the campaign response to an opportunity. So let's see, if we go to here marketing and campaigns, we don't have under, there is nothing under my campaign, so we will open all campaigns of for current fiscal year. Okay, this one. Yeah, campaign is open, but do we have that option here? This campaign we cannot convert to opportunity. Okay, we cannot convert switch process. The reason is, let me tell you. Oh, sorry, because we are in campaigns, we need to go to campaign activities. So not in campaign. So if I go to, for example, this is the campaign. Okay, now if I click here, then I will see activities here. Where is my activities? So campaign activities here. Activities, no, this is booking alert. Somewhere it should be activities. Oh, campaign activities, yes. So can you see campaign activities? So you click here. Oh yeah, because there is no activity at the moment. Okay, and it is a subgrid. Okay, see here plus sign. Okay, so this is a subgrid. So you can click a new activity for this campaign, and from that activity you can change that activity into a opportunity. Okay, so let's try. If we let's try. So activities, example, new campaign. Activity, tried to sell a tablet. Okay, and there are two asterisks and we have filled both of them, so we will be able to save the record. Yes, so this is done. So now we have added a activity within this campaign. And if I click this activity, you can see here close campaign activity. Close campaign activity is the opportunity option. Opportunity option. Uh, Close, distribute, campaign activity process, you assign. So let me see what is that. Convert campaign response. Okay, convert campaign. Okay. So basically, from this campaign activity, you can change it to opportunity as well. But somewhere distribute campaign activity, close campaign activity, process, add to queue item details, assign to where? Oh, here dot. No, 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 no. Here is normally other things. Dialogue, report, form editor, word templates. Here, these I know. So because it says this is a campaign activity, I think we need to make a campaign response. Okay, and then we can change that response uh, to an opportunity. So basically we'll be able to see, because we will come back to all of this campaign again and we will see in details. Then we may find. Don't worry about that, because these are all so much interrelated that we have to come back to each other, okay, every time. Because when we'll talk about marketing module, we have to come back to this again, and then we will do all of this. Okay, so don't worry, if it is something is not found today, we will come back to it and we'll find anyway. So we have seen that different ways of creating, or you can even ask, I can give you a task as well to find, okay, to how you can create a campaign response, and then from how you can convert. So just based on this picture, try to identify, try to play around with the marketing campaign, and then try to find out when, because it means that the field is there, only we didn't find. Why we didn't find? Because we actually didn't work on campaign response. We where we worked, you see here where we worked, we are in campaign activity. Can you see? Yes, so we are in campaign activity form, but the picture says you have to be in campaign response. So when you go to campaign response form, then you will find this convert campaign response into opportunity. So that is why we didn't find. So it's nothing worry. So everything is there, but we just need to change campaign activity into into campaign response. Because I think campaign response, this at the moment this opportunity is open. Sorry, campaign activity is open. If I uh, if I close campaign activity, let's see, closed. If I close, what may happen? No, if I close it, then it will be closed. If I distribute, cannot distribute campaign activity as it has no associated marketing list. Please associate marketing list with the campaign activity. Try again. Okay, there is no marketing list here, so I cannot distribute this. uh, Switch process is not this. Okay, we will find out later on where is this campaign response form. Okay, so we'll be able to identify that, so don't worry about that. We will find out. We were not able to go to campaign response form. Okay, so that is why we didn't find that, so don't worry. It says, actually, you can see here, converting campaign response. In the top navigation of a campaign response record, click the convert campaign response button. Campaign response record. Oh, see, we didn't go to campaign response record, so that is why. So we will find out later on, don't worry. uh, Creating opportunities with user provided revenue. We talked about all of these opportunities: new topic, potential customer revenue, estimated revenue, owner. We all know, we already discussed this. Working with the process based form, business process flow. Now business process flow is nothing but that one. If we go back to sales and opportunity, and if I open any one of them, So this one, you see, qualify, develop, propose, and close. That is called business process flow. So that is nothing but working with the process-based form. Okay. So that is so this part, yeah. Qualify, develop, propose, and close. So that is very easy. I've shown you. Just you need to fill out this field. Okay, mark complete, complete, complete. You just click and it will be ticked. Complete. Okay, and then click next stage. Then it will move down to develop or propose or and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is called business process flow or working with the process based form. So normally that is called business process flow. We don't call it process based form, we call it business process flow. So this is what you have to remember. So it is okay, and this is it is showing how to customize the business process flow, but that we will see in our customization classes. Automating and analyzing sales process. Automating analyzing sales process is again part of customization. We will be able to see during our customization classes. Closing opportunities is nothing but whether you have owned the opportunity or whether you have lost the opportunity. Okay, so if you go back to sales and opportunity to our own opportunity, which was started to the name of the opportunity was new tablet or something. So if you go there, uh, okay, so you can close it as own. Okay, so this is the status. This is another thing I will tell you. So this is status as well. This, can you see open? So this is the status as well. Okay, maybe that is why the status was showing three statuses. So this is another status, because if I close it, then it will be shown here lost. Okay, or so many other different status of this opportunity. So so if I say example, say example, this opportunity has confirmed that or has bought something from you, so you can say okay, close as owned. So if you click this, then it will show you status reason, own, actual revenue, how much money they are spending, close date when you are closing as own, and is there any competitor, and any description you want to add. Okay, so you click. Opportunity cannot be, there is still active or draft course associated. Okay, because this is interesting. See, often you will see some errors if the form is not filled properly. What does it mean? It says here there are still active or draft quotes, because if the quote is, this is business logic. Okay, if the quote is in the draft option, so how this opportunity you have owned? Okay, so these are the things you have to must make sure that you understand when you will work day by day. When you will work, you will be able to see that, because remember we have what we have done here. We have created code. Yeah, yes, we have created code, but we left the status of the code is draft. Now what is code? Code is nothing but a price. Now price we have created, but we haven't finalized it. So opportunity cannot, you cannot win until and unless you finalize the price. Okay, so these are nothing but like mathematics. This is just business logic. Okay, so you cannot close it, because you see it says here always it will tell you what is the wrong. There are still active or draft codes associated with this opportunity. These must be closed before the opportunity can be closed. So either you remove that this code, or you make it active. Okay, if you contact support, please provide the technical details. So if you click OK, so if I go back this, you can delete them. Can you see the bin? So you can you can close them. Okay, delete them codes. Now you should be able to close as so. Yeah, that's it. See, the opportunity changed to own opportunity, and you see the status has been changed to own. Okay, it was open, now it is own. So this is the another status. Okay, so I think what happened is the status was before here, but now the status has come to here. So so that is the reason. If I go back to the form here, uh, go back to status. See here, uh, these are the status will be changed there. So we have seen open, we have also seen own, right? So these two status changes we have seen, but these other changes also you will be able to see, in progress, on hold, lost, outsold, cancelled. So this is what is called a status. So what we have seen, so this is a status field. It is not on the form, it is outside of the form. Okay. So this is what is called a status field, so that is why we didn't find. Okay, so we'll stop it here today. Okay, we have seen opportunity quite well. We have seen how it can be opened, how it can be created from different angle, different ways. Okay, we have seen how the opportunity form can be filled, how different new field has been created in the opportunity form, which is called probability, and also new subgrid has been added to the opportunity, which is called competitors, sales teams, stakeholders, right? So all of these are new. And what also we have seen a little bit about subgrid, how it can be from subgrid, how an item can be added to the subgrid. Yes, and we also talked about what is opportunity, and how an opportunity become a contact, and how opportunity can be win, can be owned, okay, and can be lost as well. And also we have seen opportunity from view. Okay, view means we have seen here. If you go, this is the view. Okay, so these are different views. So we have seen that. So yes, so we have covered all of these four: opportunity, in general opportunity, then opportunity from view, close as zone, close as lost. But in between, two three elements we have skipped. The reason only that we will see them in customization. Say example, working with process based form, we didn't go through in details because we will do it in customization, when our customization classes will start. And also automating and analyzing sales process, also we will see in our customization classes. So we haven't actually explained detail these two because these are part of customization. So any question, Ruthira, now? Okay, so it's good. I mean, even when even I'm teaching you guys, I'm even feeling interest to all of this by explaining, because it's such a big product. Even in our when I work in the office, I even don't deal with this opportunity sales. I don't deal because as a developer, okay, you will not deal with these things, because what we are seeing now, these are part of the users thing. Okay, so user means user of the organization, because when you will become a developer, you will work behind the scene, not in front of the scenario. What we are seeing now, this is in front of the scenario. So we don't deal with that. Okay, so this is because we are a developers. We develop in the background. We develop something else, and because of that, something comes up in the begin in front of this. Okay, so so at the moment we are in user interface things we are watching. But obviously when we will do customization and development, you will find more interesting and more harder things will come up. Programming bit also will come up, customization bit will come up, so you will find more interest. But now, even now, this is what we are seeing nowadays is nothing but business logic. If you understand what is opportunity, if you understand what is sell, what is called lead, contact, account, everything will be, more we will talk every day, it will be easier for you. Okay, so yeah, so thank you very much for today. Yeah, our next session will be next Sunday. Okay, yeah, same time, 4 o'clock. Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah, I will send you now. I will send you now. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.